Ever heard of GIGA coin and wondered what it is? Well, you're in the right place. GIGA coin, just like Bitcoin or Ethereum, is a type of cryptocurrency. This means it's a digital or virtual currency secured by cryptography, making it almost impossible to counterfeit. But what truly sets it apart is its decentralization. GIGA coin isn't controlled by any government or organization. It's a peer-to-peer system, free from central authority. So, now that you know what GIGA coin is, let's dive deeper into its features and benefits. So, what makes GIGA coin special? Why should you care about it? GIGA coin stands out in the vast sea of cryptocurrencies with its distinctive features. It's designed to be fast, secure, and efficient, aiming to improve upon the limitations of earlier cryptocurrencies. Speed is a crucial factor for any digital transaction, and GIGA coin delivers with impressive transaction processing times. Security is another cornerstone of GIGA coin. It utilizes advanced cryptographic techniques, making it incredibly difficult for nefarious actors to compromise the system. It's like having a virtual Fort Knox for your digital assets. Efficiency is GIGA coin's third pillar. It's designed to consume less energy than other cryptocurrencies, making it more environmentally friendly. GIGA coin employs the power of blockchain technology, the same revolutionary technology behind Bitcoin, which ensures transparency and decentralization. GIGA coin is mined similar to other cryptocurrencies, contributing to its scarcity and potential value. These features make GIGA coin a promising choice for those interested in cryptocurrencies. But what are the benefits of using GIGA coin? How can it impact your life? You might ask. Well, let's dive right in. Firstly, GIGA coin holds a potential for high returns. Like many other cryptocurrencies, it has a volatile nature, which means the value can increase dramatically over a short period of time. This volatility could turn a small investment into a substantial sum. Secondly, it can be used in transactions. With GIGA coin, you can make payments quickly and securely across borders without the need for traditional banks. It's like having a global currency in your pocket. Lastly, GIGA coin has a potential for future growth. Given the increasing acceptance and adoption of cryptocurrencies, GIGA coin is poised for growth. It's like investing in the internet in the early 90s or mobile technology in the early 2000s. As you can see, GIGA coin has a lot to offer. But what's the future of this cryptocurrency? Let's find out. So what's the future of GIGA coin? Can it really compete with giants like Bitcoin and Ethereum? Well, let's take a look. The potential of GIGA coin lies in its unique features and the community that supports it. The coin's flexible architecture, enhanced security, and user-friendly interface make it a strong contender in the cryptocurrency market. Now let's talk price prediction. Of course, the world of crypto is unpredictable, but the trajectory of GIGA coin, backed by its strong fundamentals, suggests potential for growth. Some experts even predict that the coin could see a significant price surge in the next 5 years. Again, these are predictions and they should be taken with a grain of salt. But it's not just about the price. The community behind GIGA coin is what truly sets it apart. This enthusiastic and dedicated group is constantly working on improving the coin, enhancing its features, and increasing its adoption. They're not just investors, they're believers and advocates who see a bright future for GIGA coin. And let's not forget about the potential for real-world applications. GIGA coin is not just a digital asset, it's a platform for innovation. Developers around the world are already using GIGA coin to build new applications and services, further increasing its value and potential. While no one can predict the future with certainty, GIGA coin certainly looks promising. So, if you're looking to dive into the world of cryptocurrencies, GIGA coin might just be a good place to start.